you, where passion meets determination and hard work takes center court. Tonight, we gather not just to witness the game, but to celebrate the dedication, discipline, and teamwork that brought these athletes to this very moment. As we begin, let us remember that basketball is not only about winning, but also about sportsmanship, respect, and the love of the game. So sit back, cheer loud, and enjoy the game, because this is the finals and ending in heaven. Welcome to Manila Basketball League Season 3, the finals! Here are the players of All in One Pass. Wearing jersey number 10, Jeffoy Ramirez. Wearing jersey number 20, Denver McMeekin. Wearing jersey number 23, Dustin Miranda. Wearing jersey number 3, Brian Torres. Wearing jersey number 19, Chano PRM Smith Vargas. Wearing jersey number 14, Ama Russell Ciso. Wearing jersey number 20, Reds Paranoio. Wearing jersey number 7, Acho Cuevas. Wearing jersey number 8, Jack Senido. Wearing jersey number 8, Matthew Miranda. Here are the players for Mineras and Stapa lovers. Wearing jersey number 21, Yanni Dao. So, wearing jersey number 11, Chris De La Cruz. Wearing jersey number 20, Jerome Cruz. Here are the players for Mineras and Stop Lovers.
Get up, Nakais mo ka.
Number 08, Randy Paragoyo. Number 22, Jigger Torres. Number 3, Ramo Rago. Wearing jersey number 15, Rizzo Medina. Wearing jersey number 18, Kyle Barco. Wearing jersey number 28, Ryan Galiga. Wearing jersey number 3, Wesley Andres. Wearing jersey number 20, Oski Galiga. Wearing jersey number 16, Cherry Rameto. Wearing jersey number 15, Ari Galiga. Wearing jersey number 8, RC Olaso. Wearing jersey number 5, Jeremy Buenafe. Wearing jersey number 25, Harvey Galiga. Good luck to both teams, and let's